Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of people have been asking me about recently. Can you transfer a Smartsheet license? I know that this can be a confusing topic, so I'm going to do my best to break it down for you. I'll also be sharing some tips on how to transfer your Smartsheet license if you need to. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever tried to transfer a Smartsheet license? If so, what was your experience? I'm asking because I recently tried to transfer a Smartsheet license myself, and it was a bit of a challenge. I had to go through a number of steps, and I even had to contact Smartsheet support. Smartsheet is a powerful collaboration and workflow platform that is used by millions of people around the world. It's a great tool for managing projects, tracking tasks, and collaborating with your team. If you're using Smartsheet, you may need to transfer a license at some point. This could be because you're leaving your company, you're no longer using Smartsheet, or you want to transfer your license to another user. So, can you transfer a Smartsheet license? The answer is yes, but there are a few things you need to know. First, you need to have an active Smartsheet subscription. If your subscription is expired, you won't be able to transfer your license. Second, you need to be the owner of the license. Only the owner of a license can transfer it to another user. Third, you need to have the permission of the new user. The new user must agree to accept the transferred license. Once you have met these requirements, you can transfer your Smartsheet license in a few simple steps. Log in to your Smartsheet account. Click on the My Account tab. Select Manage Licenses. Click on the Transfer License button. Enter the email address of the new user. Click on the Transfer button. The new user will receive an email from Smartsheet with a link to activate their new license. Tips. Here are a few tips for transferring a Smartsheet license. It's best to transfer a license before the subscription expires. Make sure that the new user has a Smartsheet account. If the new user doesn't have a Smartsheet account, you can create one for them. Be sure to communicate with the new user about the transfer. If you have any problems transferring a license, you can contact Smartsheet support. Transferring a Smartsheet license can be a bit of a challenge, but it's not impossible. By following the steps outlined in this video, you should be able to transfer your license without any problems. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and keep on smartsheeting.